One common reason for drag-and-drop issues is related to the Windows clipboard history. To check this, press the Windows key and the V key simultaneously. This action will open the clipboard history window. If the clipboard history is currently turned off, you will see an option to turn it on. Click on that option, and then click on Clear All to remove any stored clipboard data. After doing this, try using the drag-and-drop functionality again. In many cases, this should resolve the problem. If the clipboard history adjustment does not fix the drag-and-drop feature, we can try restarting the Windows Explorer process. To do this, search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open it. Once Task Manager is open, locate the process named Windows Explorer. Right-click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart from the context menu. This action will refresh the Windows Explorer, which often resolves various interface glitches, including drag-and-drop problems. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.